All right, TikTok, let's get to it. GPU replacement today. First, gotta unscrew this. Looking nice. Gotta remove these PCIe connectors here. Boom. Next, we're removing these two that hold them in. Now we gotta loosen that latch on the motherboard. And from there, you kind of just wiggle it out. That latch came back in. You loosen that again. Oh, it came back in. Oh. There you go. MSi Inspire. Ooh. Interesting color. It's like almost like this bronze metallic tannish color, but super simplistic. The one thing I am surprised by, same size as a 2070 Super. Wow. You get your cable and a GPU sag bracket holder. I only recorded this for 60 seconds, so I'll see you guys in part